All right, so here's the next one. This is 160 Eryn Terrace. And this one is somewhat similar to the one down the street at 130 Eryn Terrace. As you can see, the lot is pretty much level in the front. Not much of a slope. This particular lot, similar to the other one we looked at earlier at 30 Eryn Terrace, is a 0.59 acre lot. So it's a decent size. And let's go ahead and go in. Some of the differences again compared to 30 Eryn Terrace is this one only has 2 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. And again, it has a bonus upstairs. And it looks like it doesn't have as much cabinet space. Also looking in the kitchen. So this is here, your living room, your kitchen. You can see what I'm talking about. Very similar as far as with the stove. And it looks like all the cabinets I'm running into are going to be the white cabinets. There's your 2-door garage, oh, excuse me, 2-car garage. Pantry. Space for your refrigerator. And there's a little dining area. So it looks a little smaller than what the other home was at 30 Eryn Terrace. That's that. So let's go ahead to the bedrooms. Or before we go there, right here in front of me, this is the washer and dryer. All right, straight in front of us. Feels like a linen closet. Yep. All right, here goes the first bathroom. All right. And each bedroom in this home has the French doors for the closet. See right there. So that's the first room. Go on out to the left. And the second one. All right, let's go straight across. And here is the owner's suite. And again, I'll compare it to 30 Eryn Terrace. So that one had that sitting area. So this room, it's not as big as that one. It doesn't have the extra sitting area, but still, you know, nice size. And here goes the bathroom. Double vanity, toilet, separate shower, and tub. All right, and just take it out back, let you see what that looks like. So this is, we can actually see 130 Eryn Terrace from here. Excuse me. So it's back. So I have, you know, this area set up. And if I'm gonna just actually aim all the way down there, you can see, I don't know if you can see the little black border, but that is 130 Eryn Terrace all the way down there. So it's, yeah, it's pretty similar. Just the woods are a little closer. It's not as big a lot. So that 130, I think it was 0.82 acres. This one is 0.59 acres. So this is what it looks like though. Starts to kind of, you know, decline off or slope a little bit back here, but right here in the area where they have the grass or the sod, it's not as bad. So that's that. This is one side of the house. And check out the other one, other side. And there you go. So this one right here is pretty level, probably a little more level than 130 Eryn Terrace, at least from the front and the side up until you get to the back. All right, so this is my second video, and I'm gonna go check out. I think I probably have about 2 more homes I can go visit. Oh, as soon as I walk back in the house, I forgot. So let's go upstairs. So this is the bonus space. And there you go. So like at 30, I'll just walk over down here. So at 30 Eryn Terrace, that one had a closet and it had a bathroom upstairs. So that was, again, that lot, that plan looks like it was a little bigger, and upstairs is definitely bigger. But this is the bonus room. Get one more view. There you go. So this one is similar to 130 Eryn Terrace. All right, now we're gonna go to the next house.